there is a big difference between the standard of what mortgage industry offers versus what we do. And oddly, what we can do may not exactly be what you think you want to do today, meaning what you probably think you want is just a low interest rate, good closing costs, to close on time, do what we say we are going to do. That's the kind of expectation that most people have, sadly. But this is not all you get working with us, as we believe there is much more that we can do in what is exactly needed by many families today. So we will help you in 3 very distinct ways. Number 1, before the transaction, which is incredibly important. 2, how we help you during the transaction, which I think is, interestingly enough, the least important of the areas. And number 3, and then the most important area in which we're going to add value to your life, is going to be after the transaction. We strive to become the most valuable team in your life and in every aspect of real estate or finance for the next 30 years. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. So first of all, those of you who have gotten a mortgage, then I can almost guess exactly how the process went. You likely called the lender as you knew you needed a mortgage. They had you fill out an online application, you sent in some documents, and then they sent you a pre-approval letter saying you were qualified for X amount. Does this sound so far pretty accurate? You then went under contract on a property and they close your loan, and hopefully on time. All pretty standard average, shall I say. Yet once they closed, how often did you hear from them? Were they ever proactively helping you to navigate the changes and or evolutions in your life? Or to help you become more wealthy through real estate? Like, how often does that happen? From the bank, the loan officer, anybody in that organization? Sure, they did help you become a homeowner, yes. But we commit to helping you become a successful homeowner, and there's a big difference between those two. Here is our approach, and it's a little different than average. Before the transaction, we will break down all the different strategies we can employ to help you get your offer accepted at a higher percentage rate, preventing you from experiencing the heartache of losing out on a home of your dreams while wasting time looking at more homes. We will also show you how we can likely save you money on the price of the home. We'll also show you how we are going to create a level of confidence and certainty in the decision that you are making while making sure this is the right thing to do. During the transaction, we will show you what our consumer experience is like, so you can understand the difference between just getting a mortgage and experiencing the joy of becoming a homeowner and investing in future real estate. And after a transaction, perhaps the most important thing is we will show you is that from the time the transaction closes and for the next 30 years, we're going to show you how our team is committed to do for you each and every area of real estate or finance and help you accomplish your wealth building goals through leverage asset we just helped you create. This is why we love the opportunity to work with you or anyone you know who would be in the need of our services. Please let us know if you do have any questions.